Let's go find it.
We found another one.
I want another one.
There are others now. Wait, are you re-hiding them?
I think there's one more. Go find it. There's one more. Go get it.
Amber, come find the other egg.
One more. Go get it.
What?
Oh, come on. You got them all. Good job.
You know, I just thought of something. We can make it seem like she's got hundreds of eggs if we just keep re-hiding the ones she already finds. Think about it.
Here
It's
for us.
over. She's already found
She's
them.
found them all.
How does she?
Oh, looky there.
There's one over there.
I think John's re-hiding one though.